This is the Eke Market. Eke Market in Obodoukwu, the Datonot local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. Now, this market will soon be transformed from an ancient market to a modern market, ultra modern market, because the current administration of the town, the PG and his team, that is Ike Ezenwata, is going to be transforming this market from an ancient market to an ultra modern market with modern plaza. And why is that? The road network has just improved. Chief Dr. Onyeka Umugo has ensured that Obodoukwu has a road network, opening it up to other cities from Uruala, Osina, Akokwa, and all that. So, what next? To increase the economic activities of the town. And that is why the PG, in the person of Ike Ezewanta and his team, are going to transform this market to an ultra modern market. And it's going to have plaza of all kinds, making it wonderful, and it's going to be attracting businesses from different parts of the state and of the country. And what are they advising? They are advising that you come and subscribe for opportunities there, subscribe for shops, have your own space, and then do businesses, because this place is going to be turning into a multi economic hub. It's going to be a hub for economic activities after the transformation. The Eke market you are looking at is no longer going to be the usual Eke market. It is going to be transformed. And you need to come now to have your businesses, to support this administration, and to book your own space so that you'll be part of the global village. Obodoukwu town is going to be experiencing the global village economically, and that is based on the effort of Chief Dr. Onyeka Umugo, who improved the road network, and the PG himself, Ike Ezewanta, and his team. So, let's hope for the best.
Leadership of the clan, the Enuose clan, sat down, looked at the community, said, we need to move forward. And we grow the commerce and trade in the community to generate more IGR, internal general revenue for the clan. Luckily for us, I know I stopped where the road. Oza Emena improve the economy of the community from what it used to be. Revenue they waited from Eke Emena increase. Activities and multiply yala. I would say, let us see something we can do to boost this economic movement. I would say, now people have to come to a modern market that can trade from Monday to Friday, not only for the Eke day. And for you to achieve this, you need to put up something that will attract it, which is a plaza. I would say, Tayo Plaza na Eke, Eke Market Plaza, or the modern shop, very ties, very security system, very CCTV camera that will cover the market day and night. Very befitting value. Now, I have been over the project. All the stages. Stage one, I have verify the 30 documents of this market in the Nobiambo. I honor in the Nobuna here, not a lock up shop, sir. How we lock up shop, sir, as an allocation in 1975, precisely 30th April. What is the condition? The condition is very simple. I will not go into details one after. I will say 1, 2, 3 that will catch the mind of the viewers. Now, half 450 naira for this allocation, but it was paid instrumentally. In 30th April in 1975, they were able to complete the funding. They didn't have the allocation with a condition. Asaha, after January of before January of every year, we're gonna have 6 naira as annual rent in black and white. Annual rent. All which in the shop game you need to meet the adequate authority, which is a time union, must have the consent for you to sell. But some of these shop owners are defaulted, some have sold out without the pension approval. Most 100% of them have not paid this annual rent. Or you will die. Or you will die. Or you will go. I will say, first of all, I am will give that allocation paper. They will entitled to that shop. And we did the verification and got them on record. Now, I began to design. We will now engage a professional architect to give us a drawing. We paid him a super drawing, mechanical, electrical, structural. I will move to Ministry of Finance for registration. As I'm addressing my viewers, this market is what they go approval from government. The drawing has been approved with modern facilities, online blocks. Each block will have toilet up and down. Each block will have toilet up and down. Now, I see there, I will see a kind of fence for the shades. Okay. Come into the field. That for rush and the idea. That should be our first phase of this project. We still go for second phase, opposite. But we are still on the first phase of this project. Now, Obodoukwu for 48 years. Can call the areas and they have paid 95% are compliant. Go. I have to from that stage. Now still there now one application for new applicants. Now, expression of interest kind of now. Now, I give about regularization of the shop. So they have to pick a form. So the forms are out, already selling. Now, bank Obodoukwu microfinance. It is a property of private investors. Not tiny nowhere. Mama in bank and the bank is doing fantastically well. So the funds are there. Actually, bank shop or get water 3,000. Actually, bank you shop before get water. Once you that 120 years, get back 15,000. Need to open your new data. No natural yes and for the bank I know. I may try now. I buy the first stage and about allocation proper and bill of quantity. We come out with bill of quantity and now bring out what we call allocation modalities, which will be on the public domain. After that, only when go away. So back I know now. But I'm sure the public, when I get the transparent. When I get mago idea. Not under my watch. I won't. And my team now have vowed that we must give Obodoukwu the best administration and are supporting this government seriously. And are supporting my leadership seriously, that we will do something like the China, the buyers, yes, this is a good thing. So the market is for development and the attraction on the road. So it call as an see data, and see data. It like the Mugo. All that propel all these things. Because we have seen a good road, we need to bring in, and why a modern day plaza in the community? You see a pharmacy, you see a laundry, you see a salon, you see where you can buy your spare tire, battery, no nature, wine shop. People will come with big investments. You don't need to go far. Then I got zero over copper. Then I got zero shoe and copper. Then I got zero tire, battery. You need this is happening in Obodoukwu, and it will happen with this plaza.